Nothing entered the sub 25,000 rupee segment with the Nothing Phone 2A last year, bringing its standout glyph design, transparent and premium build, and Nothing OS to the masses. Now the company is gearing up to launch its successor, the Phone 3A, and a new Phone 3A Pro, which will reportedly come with Snapdragon processors and a new set of cameras. On that note, let's take a look at everything we know about the Nothing Phone 3A series, including specifications, release date, price, and design. Nothing is confirmed to mark its presence at MWC 2025 Barcelona, where it will officially unveil the Phone 3A series on March 4, 2025. Also, a fresh leak suggests that the company might end up launching Phone 3A Pro alongside the Phone 3A instead of a Plus model. Considering the Nothing Phone 2A launched at Rs 23,999 back in March 2024, expect the Nothing Phone 3A's pricing to fall in the same ballpark. As for the Nothing Phone 3A Pro, we assume it will be priced between 27,999 rupees to 29,999 rupees. The Nothing Phone 3A series will reportedly be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3. This is the same processor featured on phones such as the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus and Realme 14 Pro Plus, which were recently launched. The Nothing Phone 3A surfaced on Geekbench and delivered a score of 1,149 and 2,813 on single-core and multi-core performance tests, respectively. This unit carries 8GB of RAM. In our internal testing of Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 powered Realme 14 Pro Plus, the chip delivered an Antutu score of 7,096,785. The Nothing Phone 3A series could have a similar score. Although the camera configurations are unknown at this point, reports suggest that the Nothing Phone 3A will feature a telephoto lens, while the Nothing Phone 3A Pro may feature a periscope lens. The previous iterations featured 50-megapixel dual rear cameras comprising main and ultra-wide lenses. Since Nothing is one of the only brands to provide high-megapixel ultra-wide cameras under 30,000 rupees, the Phone 3A series could follow suit. A listing by the name of UL Demco has revealed that the Nothing Phone 3A will be equipped with a 4,290 mAh battery. This is a substantially smaller battery compared to the Nothing Phone 2A, which rocked a 5,000 mAh cell, so take this report with a pinch of salt. Just like every other Nothing phone, don't expect the 3A series to come with a charging adapter in the box. The Nothing Phone 3A Duo will come preloaded with Android 15-based Nothing OS 3.0. The software has been rolled out to all existing Nothing smartphones and brings several improvements and changes. These include a revamped notification panel, support for lock screen clock styles, new system widgets, a new gallery app, new typography, and much more. The storage model of the Nothing Phone 3A is 8GB and 128GB and 8GB and 256GB, whereas the Nothing Phone 3A Pro provides 12GB and 256GB. If history is anything to go by, every Nothing phone launched to date, including the CMF Phone 1, has featured a boxy design with flat sides. The Phone 3A series could retain this design. Moreover, the brand recently teased a sketch of the back design, which we assume is a Phone 3A. The color options of both phones have been leaked. The Nothing Phone 3A may come in black and white colors, while the Phone 3A Pro could feature gray and black colors. As of now, there isn't any concrete or leaked information about the display of the Nothing Phone 3A series. However, one can expect the phones to carry a display similar to Phone 2A, which could be 6.7 inches AMOLED with 120Hz support. The major highlight of Nothing phones has always been the glyph LEDs. The Phone 3A will most likely feature a brand new glyph design on the rear. It's safe to assume that an under-display optical fingerprint sensor could mark its presence on the Phone 3A series. The Phone 3A and 3A Plus are reported to come with eSIM support, which will be a first for the brand. You'll either get a dual nano SIM or eSIM plus nano SIM option. According to sources, the Phone 3A and Phone 3A Plus may have Asteroids and Asteroids Plus codenames respectively. A BIS listing, on the other hand, states that one of the two phones will have NT04 as the model number.